Hi everyone, we've got 10-minute lower body workout that is going to work our legs and booty, and you don't need any equipment for this workout. There are 15 exercises with 30 to 45 seconds on and 5 to 10 seconds rest time. The first exercise we're getting into is toes in and out squats. Let's activate our leg muscles. Keeping your feet shoulder width apart, squat down pointing your toes forward, then outward. Make sure to keep your back straight by pushing your butt and hips backward. We're getting straight into side-to-side squats. Make a step to the side and squat, then come back to the center and repeat onto the other side. Remember to keep your back straight, as we don't want to put unnecessary pressure on our spine. We've got 10 seconds rest. Now let's work the inner thighs, and sumo squat is next. Place your feet wider than your hip width apart with toes externally rotated. You should really feel here a stretch in your inner thigh. Go as down as you can without forcing discomfort. Short rest and lateral lunge with knee drive is next. Come into side lunge position, keeping the opposite leg straight. Then push off through your working leg into a balance, lifting your knee to your chest. And now we're switching the sides. Do it at your own pace and make sure to engage your glutes. Five seconds rest, and next is sumo squat pulses. Take a nice long stride between your feet and have your knees and toes pointing outwards. Squat as low as you can and pulse at the bottom. You may be feeling the burn in your hamstrings and glutes, but keep pushing through. Ten seconds rest and reverse lunge with pulses is next. Step backward with your left leg to perform lunge, then pulse a couple of times and push yourself forward to the starting position. Try your best to balance yourself and engage your core and right leg muscles. We're halfway through, guys. Now let's swap the sides. Keep your abs tight and your shoulders rolled back. Engage your left leg muscles. We've got 10 seconds rest here. Now get on the mat and lion leg raises next. Lie on your side and you may support your head with the palm of your hand. Squeeze your butt and lift your top leg up, then bring it back without touching the floor. We're really targeting our glute medius, so keep going, guys. No rest, and next is leg circles. Draw small circles with your leg and make sure to squeeze your glutes.
We fueled the flames, but we're still learning to trust, learning to trust. It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me.
Now change the direction of the circles.
Don't fight the fire. Too much, too fast. We'll burn us out. We walk the wire, love. Don't make me read your mind. I know it.
Short rest, and we're changing the legs. Raise your left leg up, then bring it back without touching. Repeat, and don't forget to squeeze your glutes. No rest here. Now we're drawing small circles on top. I know it's burning, but keep pushing through. You can do it.
Two sparks igniting. We left some space for
Change the direction of the circles and engage your glute muscles.
rest and peace. 'Cause you are more than enough, more than enough. Feeling the rush, burning in love, burning in love.
Now lie on your back and we've got single leg bridge pulses. Keeping your core engaged, lift your hips up toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes and perform pulses on top. Keep pushing, guys. Only 2 more exercises to go.
Burning in love, burning in love. I won't fall when I'm picking you up. Of my hand, I won't be strong enough. Our love is stronger, and I'll be here. My lead, now we're taking the jump. My pride, 'cause I know you're the one I love.
No rest, and we're switching the leg. Try to keep your hip parallel to the floor and engage your glutes. And the last exercise is glute bridge with pulses. Lift your hips toward the ceiling and make a couple of pulses, then come back to the starting position. Remember to think about your glutes and squeeze it harder.
I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too?
And we're holding the glute bridge position the last 15 seconds. Squeeze and bring your hips even higher. Make last seconds count. And 3, 2, 1. Great work everyone, we're done with the workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you feel the burn, make sure to smash that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments how you did. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss new workout videos from me. See you guys soon. Bye!